Rain poem. Now you know it's a poem. When you look at the lines, you can see how short the lines are. And in poetry we say poems have lines. These are the lines of the poem. And poems have stanzas. A stanza in poetry is like a paragraph in writing. Poetry has a stanza and lines. Okay, so this poem is called Rain Poem. You see the picture. The rain hitting the window. Read with me. The rain was like a little mouse, quiet, small, and gray. It pattered all around the house, and then it went away. It did not come, I understand, indoors at all, until it found an open window and left tracks across the sill. Again, Rain Poem by Elizabeth Coatsworth. The rain was like a little mouse, quiet, small, and gray. It pattered all around the house, and then it went away. It did not come, I understand, indoors at all, until it found an open window and left tracks across the sill. And you see that sill means the bottom of the window. The window sill. Sill. Okay, so it's a poem. We have rhyming words. Okay, are rhyming words. Okay, so we also said poetry has lines, and poetry is organized into stanzas. So the rain was like a little mouse. It pattered all around the house. When we look at poetry, we say that's the first rhyme, that's A. Gray, mouse. Oh, that's a new rhyme, that's B. House, mouse. That's A again. Away, house, away, gray. Ah. So the pattern is A, B, A, B for stanza 1. For stanza 2, it did not come, I understand, indoors at all until it found an open window and it left tracks across the sill. So we've got stand, which is a new rhyme. Stand, gray, mouse, no, new rhyme. So stand and until sill. So the rhyme scheme of these words is, of this poem, is A, B, A, B, C, D, C, D. Please practice saying this poem. I'm going to ask you to say it in front of your group. Practice saying it clearly, slowly, and confidently. Now the question says, underline the simile in the poem. What two things are being compared? Name 3 words that show how the two things are alike. Okay, right away we see rain was like a little mouse. So we're comparing rain and mouse. So the rain is like a little mouse. So what are 3 ways that rain is like a mouse? Quiet, small, gray. It moves around the house. It goes away. It didn't come inside until it snuck in through the window. So the simile, the rain is like a little mouse. How is it like a mouse? They are both quiet. They are both small. They are both gray. So this is what I'm saying. They are both quiet. They are both small. They are both gray. They both patter, like move like that around the house. They both go away, we hope. Okay, I think we got them all. Okay, practice your poem. Sensory images. Poems often have sensory images. Poets use sensory images so readers can see, hear, taste, touch, or smell things as the poet does. Read this poem, Wings. If I had wings, I would touch the fingertips of clouds and glide on the wind's breath. If I had wings, I would taste a chunk of the sun as hot as peppered curry. If I had wings, I would listen to the clouds of sheep bleat that graze on the blue. If I had wings, I would breathe deep and sniff the scent of raindrops. If I had wings, I would gaze at the people who cling to the earth. If I had wings, I would dream of swimming the deserts and walking the seas.